Hi, good afternoon, college and tutor. My name is Angela Brizet Morales Quiroz. I am from Pasto. I am 24 years old. I am living in center my grandfather. Why my grandfather? I am a student technology, radiology, and diagnostic imaging. I belong to the group 284 and my favorite sport is cycling. I travel on vacation to Medellin. I love not win new place and I different things. I also went swimming and visit different museums. And the words was very pleasant. I got at small, I got hot. It was I treat that I would like to do again. Thank you.